The Double Advantage Team with Breland Group Realtors. Welcome. Hi, guys. It's Philip Staten, the listing specialist with the Double Advantage Team, and we're licensed with Breland Group Realtors. And super excited about our new listing here in Bardstown. It's 1706 Hilton Lane. It's out off of Old Bloomfield Road, I believe, and it's on 11 acres, a little bit more than 11 acres. It's got a pond. Let me start this flyover video for you. It's got a pond, some beautiful landscaping, a huge covered front porch, vaulted ceilings, 3-bedroom, 2 full bath. It has an attached 2.5-car garage, as well as a detached, like 3-car garage. You can see it there, expanded, really large, nice. Look at that gorgeous pond, that gorgeous view. And from the front porch, you actually face the west, a little bit to the left. Right now, the sunsets are amazing. And so you don't want to miss your opportunity on this property. So it's updated. Look at this. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. This is the property that has it all. It's got a gas fireplace in the living room. It's got, let's go ahead and flip through here. You see these trees lined over here, fire pit in the back. It's got a deck. Look at this gorgeous landscaping. And the drive, they've got a drainage system on this driveway that absolutely preserves it. It doesn't wash away when it rains. It would take a hurricane to get this stuff to wash away. It really holds up well because of the smart system they've put in place. But it's beautiful views in the front, beautiful views in the back. Look at this landscaping around here. You've got the deck. It's got a little cover here that is nice to have. Although in the summer, the sun is kind of in the front of the house, so it's a little bit cooler back there anyways. And that's always good. So let's flip on through here. Look at this. This is so gorgeous. All brick. The house is only, I want to say the house is 10 years old. I'm pulling that from memory. And so check on that. Give me a call if you want to know, and I'll get all the details for you. But this garage, if you're into the workshop or the place to park your vintage car, I'm into garages. I love them. And this one would be exceptionally nice. Look at the view out across there, just rolling hills. The sun typically sets over here to the left a little bit in the west. It's amazing. Here's that fire pit in the back looking up at the house. 11.06 acres. And this is an expanded garage with the brick fascia. Gorgeous. Plenty of parking here. If you're into having people over, this home has got everything you need to entertain family and friends. Big space out back for people to run. You could do anything out here. There's no restrictions, but it's a gorgeous area. And these windows, there's not an upstairs. These are open to the great room here. It's vaulted in there, and this opens to the master bedroom. And we're going to go in there in just a second. Daylight basement. You got the full egress windows. Looking at the back over here, they have a little office space that can be used for anything, even an extra bedroom possibly. And then you have a pre-plumbed basement for an extra bathroom or a wet bar. It's a third of a basement, so there's about 300 square feet down there. It's not a full basement, but there's room to have a really nice setup down there. And I know I can envision what I would do down there. I would have a wet bar, probably a bathroom, and then an area where people could hang out, maybe a theater. And so just gorgeous views all around. And we'll keep flipping through here, but look at this. Absolutely love it. And there's that pond back there, and nobody really close to you that would be right on you. It's not like a neighborhood. This, if you want to be out from town, but be close enough that town is just 15 minutes away, this is your place. Now here's the kitchen. Granite countertops that are absolutely stunning. Custom kitchen cabinets in here. Stainless steel appliances. Modern fixtures and recessed lighting. hardwood floors, and you've got a breakfast bar here. You also have a dining area over here in the back looking out of these full-length windows. Gorgeous view out back. And then over here to the side, you've got a formal dining area right here for your big table. And there's that fireplace, a gas fireplace. I believe it's vented, and it's got that beautiful stonework. We'll see in there in a second. It's vaulted, so well lit. There's all these huge windows everywhere. The dining area has a tray ceiling, and you can see over here the laundry room. It's spacious. It has cabinets. Have a pantry back there, and then you step out to the garage out there. And just, I love this place. Now, there's lots of listings that we love, but this one stands out as a property that I would connect with. The land, a house that's not gigantic, a beautiful backsplash on here, and it's an electric stove. This house is electric. It has a propane tank that's out back that feeds the gas fireplace, and it is full right now. So just, I love this place. The hardwood floors look gorgeous. This is vaulted in here. Look at all this light coming in. And the stone fireplace runs all the way up to the ceiling. And it's pretty large. I want to say it was 17 feet by 15 feet. It's a pretty good sized great room. But that vaulted ceiling makes it feel even larger. And so very semi-open floor plan. I would call this an open floor plan, really. And you've got a split floor plan with the primary bedroom over here and the primary bath. And then you've got the other two bedrooms and a full bath over here. And there's also that third of a basement that is plumbed for whatever you want to do down there. Absolutely stunning in here. And so we'll flip through the pictures. If something stands out that I want to mention, I will mention it. Over here you do have a coat closet here. It's always nice to have a coat closet when you come in. And there's the primary bedroom. It is a pretty good size. I don't have the numbers in front of me, but I believe it is 13 by 15. And it's not gigantic, but you've got a ceiling fan. You've got this window up here. All this light coming in really makes it bright and very cozy. It's got a walk-in closet. You've got the bathroom. Let's get over. Do I have pictures of? Yeah, a jetted tub in here with modern tile work, tile flooring in there. It also has an expanded shower. This is about 4 feet or so by 3 feet. It's got a built-in seat in it, and it's 6 foot tall on the wall, so the largest of people would feel comfortable in here. And you've got the jetted tub, double basins in there with a huge full mirror, and the primary bathroom's really, really nice. Here's this bedroom number 2. You've got a light in here and a full-length window, and one of these secondary bedrooms has a double closet. The other has a single closet. But up here where you have the light, if you feel like it needs to have a ceiling fan, you've already got the electrical in there to put a ceiling fan in if you wanted. That's something I would probably do, but this is very nice in here. And this one has the single closet. These are about 11 by 11. Now here's the space down in the basement. Full egress windows. There's 4 of them along there. It's got this built-in, like a faux fireplace. You might be able to put an insert, a gasless or exhaustless fireplace down there. But I see this as a great office space. It would be an excellent gym or exercise area. Or I don't know with those windows, I don't know if I'd make it a theater area, but it's certainly nice and bright down there for a basement. And then you have an unfinished area. This is pre-plumbed. There's the other 2 windows in great shape down there. And here you have, this is like a utility area over here, but that could be enclosed in like a closet. I would probably take this wall down and make that whole thing open. Absolutely love that space down there and would do something very planned out and enjoyable down there. Some type of awesome man cave. Another picture of the master bedroom. I think we're coming up on, that's the last picture. And so, folks, give us a call. My number is 502-724-4484. Anita Perez, she's my teammate and my fiance. I say that in every video. She's magnificent. She's very smart, very hardworking. Call either one of us. but I'm the listing guy. I would have all the details about this property, and you do not want to miss this one. Get on the schedule. Come and see it. If you're working with a realtor, get them to get you on the schedule. This house is absolutely one worth seeing. And, you know, there's a buyer for every home. If you like what you're seeing here, you want to act quickly. I believe this property will sell quickly, and especially land is becoming so desirable as it is now. 11 acres gives you a tax exemption status. You'd want to call the courthouse and find out what kind of advantages you get with that. But having over 10 acres, I believe, gives you some advantages that you don't want to miss out on. And just the kitchen is mind-blowing. It's gorgeous property. So give us a call. We'd be more than happy to get you in here to see the property. But if you're working with a realtor, get them to get you on the schedule and get out here and see this property. It's just outside of Bardstown, just minutes away from everything Bardstown has to offer. And Bardstown is awesome. It's the most beautiful small town in America. And it's true. People take pride in Bardstown. There's not trash everywhere. Its personality is great, and there's so much to do. They have events all the time. Bardstown is the place, and I know I love it, and I think you'll love it too. If you live outside of Bardstown, you've got to get down here, and this is the perfect place for you if you want to be in Bardstown. So you all have a great day, and we will get on to the next video. Call me, 502-724-4484. Thanks so much.